Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment we've all been waiting for, well, maybe it's been me, but we are moving this week the garden from the back to the front, and I'm talking raised beds, I'm talking collard greens, I'm talking kale, I'm talking everything in the raised bed has to come to the front. And so this week is going to be jam-packed, filled with like from beginner steps, right? Beginner from starting a whole raised bed, because technically I will be starting all over again. Like some of the soil would not transfer, so I will be doing some like, you know, revamping of my soil using the different techniques that I've learned, knowing what to put into the soil, what is best to grow the best amount of vegetables and things like that. And so like back-to-back videos coming to you will be coming to you because I'm starting the garden all over again, basically moving it from the back to the front, raised beds, 5-gallon buckets, and I'm even adding some things, okay? As you saw, like different things from the cucumbers to the buckets, like it's coming together, y'all, okay? And I want to bring you all on the journey. So this week, I'm so excited that I did a whole video about what's to come. But you know, that's just what we do on this channel. We let you know so that you are in expectation of what's to come and know that we're gonna have some fun. So be locked in, click the bell notification, go ahead and subscribe because you don't want to miss a thing, okay? PSA service announcement. See you next time. Peace.